Hi friends, welcome to Crack You RRB SSC and Banking Examinations channel. Railway Recruitment Board is inviting online applications for various posts under Group D. Many of you have already applied for this examination. Now that it's time to crack this examination. Before that, let's have a look at one of the famous quotes by Abraham Lincoln. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Looking interesting, right? In our examination context, sharpening the axe is similar to having a thorough knowledge of examination pattern in syllabus, previous papers in cutoffs, and having a proper preparation plan or strategy. Before that, let's have a look at the selection process of RRB Group-D level 1 posts. Initially, there will be a computer-based test, that is CBT, followed by physical efficiency test, which is PET, and then there will be document verification followed by medical. Now let's have a look at the examination pattern, that is the first stage of computer-based test. There will be a total of 100 questions need to be answered in 90 minutes of time. 30 questions from general intelligence and reasoning, 25 questions from general science, 25 questions from mathematics, and 20 questions from general awareness will be tested. There will be no sectional cutoffs as such, and for every wrong answer, there will be negative marking of 1/3 of the marks allotted to the question. Now let's have a look at the syllabus of reasoning and general intelligence. In reasoning and general intelligence, the topics that are covered are analogies, alphabetical and number series, coding and decoding, mathematical operations, relationships, syllogisms, conclusions and decision making, Venn diagrams, data interpretation and sufficiency, jumbling, similarities and differences, analytical reasoning, classification, directions, statements, arguments and assumptions, etc. Candidates who are preparing for the first time for this examination can start with easy topics like analogies, alphabetical and number series, coding and decoding, mathematical operations, relationships, classification and directions. These topics are relatively easy compared to other topics and can be mastered in a very less time. After mastering all these topics, you can go to other topics like data interpretation and sufficiency, Venn diagrams, jumbling, similarities and differences, analytical reasoning, conclusions and decision making, syllogisms, and statement, arguments and assumptions, etc. Next, coming to general sciences. The syllabus under this shall cover physics, chemistry and life sciences, which is also called biology, of 10th standard CBSE. Some of the topics from biology are classification of living organisms, main concepts of life science, the cell, basic unit of life, nutrition and respiration, blood and blood circulation, endocrine system, reproductive system, genetics, the science of heredity, environment and ecology, health and hygiene, biodiversity and conservation, human diseases, prevention and remedies, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases, alcoholism and drug abuses, animal, plant and human life. Next, coming to chemistry, some of the major topics need to be covered in chemistry are acids, bases and salts, oxidation and reduction, elements and compounds, chemistry of ores and metals, carbon, nitrogen and their compounds, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, biochemistry and biotechnology, electrochemistry, polymers and plastics. Next, coming to physics, physical quantities, standards and units, force, universe, general scientific laws, scientific instruments, inventions and discoveries, national scientific laboratories, heat, light and sound, atomic and nuclear physics, solid state, geophysics, astronomy and space sciences, electricity and magnetism, motion and energy. Now coming to mathematics. Some of the major topics in mathematics are number system, BODMAS, decimals, fractions, LCM or HCF, ratio and proportion, percentages, mensuration, time and work, time and distance, simple and compound interest, profit and loss, algebra, geometry and trigonometry, elementary statistics, square roots, age calculation, and calendars and clocks. Initially, you can start with easy topics like number system, decimals, LCM HCF, percentages, body mass, fractions, ratio proportions, and mensuration. Along with that, you can complete profit and loss, age calculations, square roots. These topics are relatively easy and they can be solved in a very less time and they can be mastered fast. After completing all these topics, you can go to other topics like time and work, time and distance, whichever are present in red color. Next, coming to general awareness. In general awareness, questions will be coming from science and technology, sports, culture, personalities, economics, and politics, and any other subject of importances. These are the major areas that will be covered in the first stage, that is computer-based test. Candidates thrice the vacancies will be shortlisted for PET, that is physical efficiency test. So for male candidates in the physical efficiency test, male candidates should be able to lift and carry 35 kgs of weight for a distance of 100 meters in 2 minutes in one chance without putting the weight down. And also they should be able to run a distance of 1000 meters in 4 minutes and 15 seconds in just one chance. Coming to female candidates, they should be able to carry a weight of 20 kgs for a distance of 100 meters in 2 minutes in one chance, and they should be able to run a distance of 1000 meters in 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So this is what is the examination pattern and syllabus. We will be back with more videos on RRB, previous year papers and cutoffs, and preparation plan or strategy of RRB Group D. To score better in RRB exams, practice previous year papers and mock tests. So for more videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.